Okay, what I'm going to do here is show you how to find and use the modules feature on Trailhead. So from the Trailhead homepage, we want to come across to Learn, which will open up these options. In the middle column, we want the one at the top, we want modules. As you said, it's there just to sort of help you learn these new skills in bite-sized units. There's quite a lot of different modules, so it's a really great feature. There's just over 1500 here. If you are looking for something a bit more specific, you can obviously quick search that if you want to find something, if you have something in particular in mind. There are other ways to filter, so you can filter by difficulty. You can also select certain products if there's something you're focusing on, as well as certain roles here as well. So you can change that depending on what you want. The challenge type at the end, you'll see you're always able to earn points. This will be whether or not it's sort of a hands-on or just a quiz at the end. If we use the cert prep here as an example, you see it's 25 minutes plus 500 points for you as well. This allows you just to go through all of these different modules. So if you click on this first one here, see it's 5 minutes just to get started. You can go through the objectives. This will just tell you a little bit, and at the bottom you'll see there's a quiz. So this is just a quiz, it's nothing hands-on. A hands-on module will be for you, it'll open up a demo organisation. You might have to do something on there just to prove that you've understood it. But in this example, you just have to do the quiz, get it correct, and then you'll earn the 100 points.